Hello, all of you. Am I audible to all? Am I streaming fine? Neha, Suhashish, Saubhagya, Ritesh, Purn, Musavir, Prachi Yadav. Am I? Hello, Abneesh. Satyam, okay. Am I streaming good for all of you? Am I audible to all of you? Yes? Hello, Jashoda Tripathi. Hi. Uh, Patniyan, IAS, some institute. Good morning, all of you. Yugan Nalav, okay. It's okay if you have not been able to join on the meeting, it's also fine here. This was supposed to be a session where we introduce the approach of mentorship and how we do it. Kash Narayan Swami, good morning to you. Priya Mahato, okay. It's from Patna, okay. Okay, fine. Aprajita, good morning, Aprajit, okay, Aprajit. Jasrotia, okay. Aprajit, okay, Aprajit. Chalo, all of you, welcome to the session. Hello, Manu, Krishna. We have Chandra Prakash, Shreya. Shreya, you have joined us twice. That's okay, no problem. Aman, Ketan. So are you all aware of what is the discussion today? Are you all aware of what we are trying to do today? Yeah, this is an open session where the main objective of today's session is to tell you about the mentorship program. And more importantly, it is about how to study. In the last, I think, almost 3-4 months now, students are all getting ready for the examinations. Some of them are preparing for 2026. The others are preparing for 27. Yeah, so in this, all of you have connected with me. Can you tell me when did you start your UPSC preparation? Can you tell me that? आपने अपना UPSC preparation कब शुरू किया? Or when did you start your classes? Anybody can tell me? Anybody can tell me when did you start your classes? June 25, okay. Chandra Prakash. Others? Others? August 25, May 25, okay. Prachi, Chandra Prakash, Akash Narayan. Others not responding? Started from March 25, December 25, Neha. So you have started recently, January. Okay. Anybody who has started for 2024? 25 December, okay. Rinchen, that's okay. Anybody who started from 2024? By the way, okay, Aman has, okay. How many of you are giving your prelims right now? The 26 prelims, how many of you are giving that? 24? Okay, Satyam, okay. Okay. So how many of you are giving your prelims in 26? The one that's coming right now in another 1 month. How many of you? 26, okay, you're giving your prelims, okay. But आपने तो शुरू किया है जनवरी से from Patna. Akash, you started from May 25. आप भी prelims दे रहे हो? अच्छा. अच्छा, आप फिर ध्यान से सुनो all of you, ठीक है? Listen to me carefully. Okay, listen carefully and see. This is just a suggestion. Okay, let it not. Don't follow this blindly. It's just a suggestion that we have. You can all see my screen. Is my screen visible to all of you? Yeah. Okay. Yes. अच्छा ठीक है. You are giving. ठीक है आकाश. Fine, fine. But you can see my screen, right? You can see my screen. अच्छा, now आप ध्यान से सुनो. Say okay, your prelims is 2026. 2026. Okay. And you have begun, some of you from 25 December. Some of you began from maybe June or July 24. Some of you began maybe from April or May 2024. So 25, so 25. Some of you must have begun from maybe March 2025. Okay, I think most of you are in these slots. आपको prelims देना है May 26 में. And these are your starting day of GS. Some of you from December 2025, some of you from June, July 25, some of you started from March 25, and some maybe April, May. So अगर आप ये, if you see this complete year or this time that you have, most of you have been preparing for less than 12 or 14 months. I can safely assume this, all of you, that most of you have been preparing from for less than 12, 14 months. And most of you have been preparing, okay, courses, that we have joined in institutes. This is not a lecture. I want you to interact with me and ask me whatever doubts you have. Okay, can I assume this for most of you? Okay, that you have started your preparation about 12 or 14 months ago, and the time is less than that. And you have started with courses and you have joined some institutes. And I'm sure in the month of Feb, in the month of March, okay, many of you have been doing double classes also. Okay, you have been doing double classes also. See, is this assumption of mine correct for most of you? This is one assumption, that most of you have done less than 12, 14 months. The second assumption, most of you must have joined some institute. The third assumption is you have been doing double classes. Okay, so yeah, am I right there? Hi, Lissy. Good, joined. Kanha, Prachi. Is this assumption right for all of you? Okay, so now if you're doing this, if I ask you, uh, what is the study source that you have? आपका study source क्या है? बताएं आप लोग. Let's see. What is your study source for most of you? You have completed GS, yes. Akshar Narayan, when did you finish your GS? You started in May 25. So when did your GS get over? Akash, coaching notes. Okay, Satyam. So study source for most of you is coaching notes. This also is one of my, okay, class notes. Okay, class notes. Okay, so Akash Narayan says class notes, Satyam says class notes, Rinchen says class notes. Now, some of you have done one-on-one session with me as a part of okay, your session for mentorship. Okay? So, one thing I'm sure you all will agree, okay, that there are four aspects. There are four aspects of studies. Okay? So, what are the four aspects of studies? One is you have to compile notes. You must compile notes. Then you must memorize notes. Then you must enrich your notes. Enrich your notes with extra reading. Enrich your notes with current affairs. Enrich your notes also with deeper understanding of whatever you have done. Okay. And fourth is mapping PYQs and also okay, appreciating PYQs. Okay, these are the tasks. These are the tasks of studying. The task A is called as you have to compile the notes. Task B is called as memorize the notes. Task C is enrich the notes. And task D is mapping with PYQ and appreciating. So how many of you have done the first step? I think most of you have done the first step. Can I assume this? And how many of you have done the task B, C, and D? How many of you have done the task B, C, and D? Can you please write on your chat field? How many of you have done the task B, the task C, and the task D? Okay, so Neha has done task B, okay. Manu has done the first task. Lacey has done A and B. Okay, fine. Others, not completely, but partially. Chandra, what have you done partially? Partially compiled the notes or partially memorized? Partially memorized. इसमें से कौन सा हुआ है? Mapping the PYQ has been done partially, okay. Okay, not done C and D, okay. Looking into PYQ, but no value addition, okay. Okay. Anybody else? We are having a conversation, okay? I've done B and C completely and partially you have done D, Kana. Kana, you started in 24, I believe, right? You started in 24, am I right? Or you started 25? Started looking PYQ, okay, Akash. 25 नाम शुरू किया है. So fine, now see, इसके बाद में, then there is one more important task, which is practicing questions. MCQ questions and also practicing mains questions. You must discuss it with you personally. Okay, we can do. Coaching is not over, so you are still compiling notes. See, जब तक आपका ये 5 step नहीं हो जाता है, you are not ready. You are not ready for the exam. Do you understand this? Till you have done these 5 tasks, you have compiled the notes, you have memorized the notes, you have enriched the notes, okay, enriching with current affairs, enriching with, okay, maybe some extra readings, deeper understanding, plus PYQ mapping, and practicing questions. Practicing questions, I mean, if you ask me before the prelims, you should have practiced 3,000 to 4,000 questions. Mains again, okay, more than 200, 300 answers you have to write. Without this, you are not ready for the exam. Is this part understood for all of you? Okay. Yeah, is it okay? Okay, now listen to this. This is your first thing. This is something you must understand. I'll suggest somewhere in your notes, write down these points. Without this, you cannot be ready. Okay, so what is the mistake we do? What is the mistake in preparation? The mistake in preparation is, okay, now see, ये जो process है ना, compiling notes, memorization of notes, enrichment, this whole thing I will call as, okay, content consolidation. This is content consolidation. Most of us are stuck with compiling of the notes. Okay, and the other aspects of study are done very, very randomly without a proper mechanism to it. And you have not even seen the PYQs properly. The mistake in preparation is there is no consolidation, or there is partial consolidation, and you jump into the exam. Okay, this is the mistake in preparation. You have not done any consolidation. You have not memorized. You have not mapped with, okay, the PYQs. You have not done the enrichment part, and you have jumped into the exam cycle. Now look at this. Okay, I call this as, okay, I call this as the cycle of collapse. Look at this carefully. How does the cycle of collapse operate for you? Say, आपका examination is somewhere here. Say this is somewhere you have the examination. This is, say, May of 2026. Okay, this is the examination. Now, you are doing some preparation. There's some preparation going on. And this preparation largely is notes compilation. Okay. The other task of consolidation has not been done properly. Then what happens is, in the month of maybe Feb, March, and April, okay, and because you want to give the prelims, this is your prelims, you are doing some notes. आप notes compile कर रहे हो, आप college, आप institute जा रहे हो, okay, you are doing that, and sometime in Jan, Feb or March decide कि prelims दे देते हैं, and the prelims is something like a trial attempt for most of you. So what happens is, when you jump into the prelim cycle, आप ये बताओ, now you tell me, in this time that you have, okay, the 3 or 4 months you have, what type of study will you do in 3-4 months? Will it be a thorough study? Okay, will it be reading extensively? Will it be, okay, detailed process-based studies, or will you do selective study? Okay, will you spend time in memorizing concepts, or will you jump into tests? Okay, किस type का preparation होता है बताओ? When you are still preparing your notes, when you're still compiling your notes, and the notes is not properly compiled, and you decide to give your prelims. So what happens to preparation? In this 3-4 months that you have, what type of preparation you do? Is the preparation a thorough process? Is the preparation properly structured? Is the preparation detailed? Or is the preparation selective and with tests? कैसे होता है बताओ? Manu, how is the preparation? Okay, so yes, most of you will do selective studies. Most of you will jump into tests. Okay, and I'm sure those of you who are giving this attempt, you are very sure कि exam नहीं निकलने वाला. Okay, but because you decided to give the test or the attempt, आपने 3-4 महीने यहाँ पर, or maybe 1 or 2 months, you have put in with a lot of selective studies, which is not an organized study. ठीक है? अच्छा, you tell me, is this selective study that you are doing, is it tiring or not? Like some of you will do 7 hours, 8 hours of study, 10 hours of study. Will this study be tiring or not? थकान होता है कि नहीं होता है? Right? थकान होता है? All of you agree with this? Okay, you are putting in time, you're putting energy, you're tired. All agreed with this? So this is tiring. This is tiring. Yes, acha. In this selective study, okay, how is your memorization? Is your memorization very good, or memorization is patchy? कैसा memorization होगा बताओ? Will it be a thorough good memorization, or will your memorization be patchy? थोड़ा सा है, थोड़ा सा नहीं है, patchy. Okay. In this 3-4 months, can you do answer writing? In this 3-4 months, can you do answer writing? You cannot even do answer writing properly. So आप बताओ, after giving your prelims, so, and it is tiring, remember, ये tiring भी है. Okay. After the prelims, you'll be tired. Okay. How much time you will take to again get back to proper study? ये मई में हो गया, मई में आपका prelims हो गया. How much time will you take to again get back to proper study? बताओगे मुझे आप? Okay. Can you start proper study in the month of June? Can you start your proper study, एकदम intense study, structure study in the month of July? Anybody? When will your, again, process study start? Any idea? आप सोच के देखो, what is working in your mind here? Lesi, Kanha, Manu, okay, Aprajit, Akash, Narayan, July maybe, August minimum. Okay, you realize, right? July, okay, fine, July maybe. Okay. So say I'm optimistic. आपने जुलाई से शुरू किया पढ़ाई. How much time you have lost here now? Because you are planning to give a trial attempt, you are planning to give an attempt where your preparation is not well done. आपका कितना time यहाँ चला गया? Okay, so 3-4 months before the prelims and another 1 or 2 months after the prelims. So can I say safely 5 to 6 months is gone? Can I safely say this? So your trial attempt is not, okay, just an attempt. Your trial attempt या फिर attempt that is not well studied for, an attempt that is not well planned for, okay, it costs you almost 5 or 6 months. And then say you again start your preparation. So आप शुरू करें preparation maybe in the month of August. आप शुरू करें अगस्त शुरू कर रहे हो. Okay. You tell me, when do you want to start your prelims again? This is 26. When will you start your prelims again? So this is the prelims of 2027. So after August, आपने पढ़ाई शुरू किया. By when do you think you must start your prelims-centric study again? Anybody? From January? From December? Okay. From January. So let us put January here. December से आप शुरू करोगे. So August से December, January. August, September, October, November, December. So 4 to 5 months. ये 4-5 months में what all task you must do, tell me. You had a task, no, called as consolidation. याद आ रहा है? The consolidation that you had not done and you entered into the cycle. अब आपका शुरू होगा consolidation, which means what? Okay, your notes compiled, the notes are memorized, the enrichment of your notes has been done. You have also mapped your PYQs. Okay, so ये जो काम है, how much time will this type of work do? So is this 4-5 months, ये जो 4-5 months है आपका, is it enough for all of this? And remember, आपका GS का 4 पेपर है, फिर आपका essays भी है, आपका optional भी है. Am I correct? The 4 papers of GS, the essays paper, and your optional paper. Is 4 to 5 months, okay, after August, is it enough for all of this work or not? Is it enough for all of this work or not? No. Not really, Manu. Not really. तो अब क्या होगा बताओ? Okay. ये जो selective study है ना, ये यहाँ पर आप ये this selective study, this again will start in the month of January. Do you see how your process is getting disrupted? Are you all seeing why I'm calling this as the cycle of collapse? So now if you ask me, okay, if you ask me, or let me ask you this one, what should your approach have been? If you understand this much of, okay, this cycle of collapse, what should your approach be? If you are guiding somebody, if you are suggesting somebody to, get ready for the examination, आपका approach क्या होना चाहिए था? The same cycle repeats. फिर there's no consolidation, half-hearted preparation, you jumped into your prelims, okay, no consolidation, you have again gone to a cycle. Yeah, Akash? So what should your approach be? As a, now as a thinking person, as a person who understands the process, आप बताओ. So what should be, okay, the cycle of success. क्या होना चाहिए आपका? Say you are doing your course, you are compiling notes, not giving a trial attempt. Yes, Manu. So in not giving trial attempt, what should you be doing? Okay. You should be focusing on consolidation. This consolidation is a work of, okay, 7 to 9 months. And then from January 27, you go for the brilliance. Can you just hold for a sec, please? Yeah. You join the session right now, Deepa? No problem. Okay. I'm just discussing how you should be preparing for the exam so that your success is assured. So you should be spending. So अभी आपका अप्रैल महीने में और अब तो आपका मई हो रहा है. मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, October, maybe November, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Okay, December. This time should go into consolidation. You are doing GS coaching, optional along with it. हाँ, आप कोचिंग तो कर रहे हो मोहम्मद वसीम, बट कोचिंग करके क्या फायदा है when you are not consolidating your notes? अगर आपका नोट्स कंसोलिडेट नहीं हो रहा है तो आप बस मैकेनिकली जाके वापस आ रहे हो क्लास से. एज सिंपल एज दैट. ठीक है. सो द साइकिल ऑफ सक्सेस इज व्हेन you spend 7-8 months in trying to consolidate. Okay. Does this make sense, all of you? And now you know that consolidation is a very, very process-driven process. It's a process-driven approach. Consolidation requires definition of tasks. It requires proper check. It requires a proper tracking process. So this we are doing. We are inviting you for a 7-day okay, mentorship program starting today. Okay. So Manish, this is what I'm telling you. Okay, and this 7-day program is free. The 7-day program is free. Okay, I will teach you how to study. Any questions? Any questions you have? So our work will be, okay, what will be my responsibility? So in the 7-day mentorship, what will be my responsibility? Define the task, support with study material, track your work, give you tests, one-on-one mentorship call, and also current affairs. This will be my responsibility, and your responsibility will be do the tasks, follow the process, and you will report. This will be your responsibility. So are you all willing to be part of this process, all of you? ये आपने पूछा ना कि how to consolidate, how to study. Okay, I want some strong commitments here. कि next एक हफ्ता for 1 week, you will do what I tell you without any doubts, without any deviations. Okay, can you all do this much? Can you all do this much? How many of you are willing to be part of this 7-day program? Can you all? And on those on the YouTube, we have shared a form with all of you. Okay. Please click the form and submit it to us. Okay. आप बस मुझे अपने preparation cycle का एक हफ्ता दो. Give me 1 week. I'll teach you पढ़ाई कैसे होती है. And commitment from your side will be, you have to give me 5 to 6 hours daily. Is this possible? In fact, I'll suggest some of you, if you want, you can drop out of your class also. अगर आपने पढ़ना सीख लिया ना, then you'll have no problem in managing it. Manish, Akash, Mohammad Wasim, Harshit, Rinchen, Priya Mahato, okay, Deepa Shailaja. Are you all game for this? Yes. So we already have a mentorship program running. ठीक है, उनका हम काम करा रहे हैं. I want to expose you to how we do the mentoring. The mentoring to otherwise, okay, happening in the ecosystem is different from what I'm trying to do. I'm not saying they are bad or good or whatever, but हमारा बहुत अलग approach है. Okay. So we will add you to one common Telegram group, and on the Telegram group, we will all be doing certain tasks. Does it make sense, all of you? Does it make sense? I need this commitment from you. Okay. Shaneli Khan, okay, Prachi, okay, Pratiksha, okay, Manu Nagar. So all those on the YouTube, please fill up the form, ek baar, okay, and we will explain the process to you. Okay, all done? Game for this, Harshit? Did you all get the form? Those on the YouTube, have you got the form? All of you? Just fill up the form. Did you all get the form? On the those on the YouTube, those who are with me on the Zoom session, आपको तो form fill up कर दिया है आपने. Have you all been added to our Telegram group? जो आप लोग dashboard में हो, those who are on the Zoom with me, have you been added to the Telegram group? Okay. So please click the for YouTube वाले. No, not yet. Aman. अच्छा ठीक है. We will add you. We'll add you. Okay, Kana. ठीक है, हम आपको add कर देंगे. There is a Telegram group. We will add you to. ठीक है. All those on the YouTube, have you got your form now? अच्छा ठीक है. So have kind of initiated it now. Can you guys meet me at can kya? It's a must. So that I can start your study tasks. I want you to meet me at around 4 o'clock today. We will share the link with you. Those on the dashboard, can you all meet me at 4 o'clock? On the Zoom itself. All those who have committed to work with me. हो जाएगा? चंद्र प्रकाश, प्राची, Manu. Okay, Hemant. Hemant, we are trying to reach more students as a part of our mentorship pedagogy. So YouTube walo, Hemant is already part of our program. Okay, he has been working with us for some time. Okay, for all of you, I'll meet you at 4 o'clock. Is it okay? You are ready? So Wasim, Aprajita, Akash, Narayan, please fill up the form. And I'll give you a call at 4 p.m. today. At 4 p.m. we are meeting. Okay? And our topic of study will be geography. And we are doing moisture and rainfall. Okay, that will be our study task to start with. So whatever notes you have, you revise it from there. Okay? So I thought for half an hour, I thought today this session will be an half an hour session, but ठीक है थोड़ा बढ़ गया. So meet all of you at 4 p.m. Keep your notes ready. Keep all your books ready. Okay, we'll start at 4 p.m. Chalo, then catch you all. Catch you all then. Okay, bye-bye. 4 p.m. Yeah.